If you are driving your Ford Mustang and cannot get the shifter into third gear when you shift fast, at 7,000 revolutions per minute, you are hitting the high revolutions per minute shift lockout. You fix this by installing a rigid aftermarket shifter bracket that mounts the shifter directly to the transmission case instead of the car body. This lockout happens on the S197 and S550 chassis, equipped with the Getrag MT-82 6-speed manual transmission. The problem is not that your internal gears or synchronizers are broken. It is a physical alignment issue caused by how the factory shifter is mounted. The original setup uses a semi-remote design where the shifter is held partly by the transmission and partly by the car body using soft rubber bushings. Those rubber pieces are meant to keep noise and vibration out of the cabin, but they are too flexible for performance driving. When you accelerate hard, the engine and transmission twist on their mounts because of the torque. Since the shifter is attached to the body of the car, which does not move, and the transmission is twisting away from it, the shift linkage gets pulled out of line. When you try to find third gear at high speed, the gate has physically moved to a different spot. You are blocked because the path into the gear is no longer straight. To fix this, you must change how the shifter is held in place. Simply switching your transmission fluid to a product like BG Synchro Shift 2 might make the gears feel smoother, but it will not stop the parts from twisting out of alignment. Replacing just the shifter handle with a short throw stick from Barton or Hurst will also fail to solve the lockout if you keep the factory mounting bracket. You need a solution that moves in unison with the transmission. First, buy a rigid shifter bracket like the Blowfish Racing Shifter Bracket or the Barton Hybrid 3. These kits unbolt the shifter from the floor of the car and mount it exclusively to the transmission itself. This ensures that no matter how much the engine twists, the shifter and the gears stay in perfect alignment with each other. Second, you should install a Whiteline polyurethane transmission mount insert. This fills the gaps in the factory mount to further limit how much the drivetrain can move under load. Third, check your clutch system to ensure it is fully disengaging. While the bracket fixes the alignment, an aging clutch that does not fully release can also contribute to shifting struggles. If you ignore this lockout and keep trying to force the car into gear, you risk bending the internal shift forks or causing premature wear on the gear teeth. Using a rigid bracket will make the car louder inside because you will hear more gear whine and feel more vibration through the handle, but your shifts will be consistent and reliable. This modification turns the MT-82 into a much more predictable transmission for track days or spirited driving. You will no longer have to fight the car just to get into the next gear. Once the shifter moves as one unit with the transmission, the gates will be exactly where your hand expects them to be every single time you shift near the red line. This is the only way to truly stop the physical lockout. If you keep missing third gear, you are just hurting your transmission. Fix the bracket first and stop fighting the car. Check your bracket bolts every oil change to make sure they stay tight. If you have hit this lockout, comment with your mileage so we can track when these mounts usually fail.